An unexpected order lands in your inbox. New customer, lower price. Take it, or leave it. Welcome to Special Order Decisions. Special orders are unexpected, often from new customers or for new product lines. Decide whether to accept based on the numbers and wider factors. For special orders, first think contribution. Does the price cover the variable cost and leave something extra to help fixed costs? Let's look at an example of a firm that makes high-powered speedboats. Last year they produced 120 boats. The firm have fixed costs of £500,000, the variable cost £18,000 per boat, and sell each boat at their regular price of £23,000. Now a new customer wants 10 boats at £19,000 each. Should we accept? If we go ahead with the order, then the sales revenue will equal £190,000, 10 times 19,000. Variable costs will be £180,000, leaving us with a contribution towards fixed costs of £10,000. So, given that the contribution is positive, the order should be accepted, so long as the boatyard have the spare capacity to take on the extra work. It is important to check capacity before reaching a final decision. If you're already stretched, quality and existing customers could suffer. Also ask, will discounts upset current buyers if word gets out? Reasons to accept such an order might include the fact that it uses up spare capacity. It may also help to open new markets to business, whilst it could lead to repeat orders from the customer. Finally, it helps to keep staff busy during slow periods. There are, however, reasons to decline the offer, including the fact that operating near to full capacity may hurt quality as orders are rushed. A firm's existing customers may also demand the same low price as the new customer, and the new buyer might later push for deeper discounts or undercut your current market. Don't forget to consider qualitative factors in your exam answers. Consider issues such as capacity, labor demands, overtime, product adjustments, loyalty to existing customers, and whether this order truly leads to future business. Okay, let's wrap things up with our exam tips. AO1. Define special orders and contribution. AO2. Show all working and apply points to the given firm's circumstances. AO3. Explain what the result means for profit and capacity. AO4. Evaluate with it depends on spare capacity, customer reactions, and long-term market effects. Don't forget to visit teachingbusiness.org.uk for many more great resources such as PowerPoints, worksheets, and workbooks to support your teaching and learning of business.